the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, one doctor recommends that same portion for pot. It certainly got our attention. We sent Sabrina Rodriguez out to see if this doc is for real and what he says the health benefits are of taking a daily dose.
We all know the saying about apples and your health, but one former heart surgeon is saying ditch the apples and turn to marijuana.
It's near impossible to come back from many strokes.
For years, the hands of Dr. Dave Allen operated on the hearts of patients. He also knows a thing or two about strokes, like even if you survive one.
Represent a real social problem and a financial problem.
Some people take a daily dose of aspirin, so if they do have a heart attack or stroke, the severity of their problems are lowered. But Allen says there's a better alternative.
No other medicine made by man can help in this manner.
He's talking about pot. Allen says a patent assigned to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services proves it, albeit in rats.
Animals giving either THC or cannabidiol had a decreased size of their stroke by 50%.
Well, the results are promising. The problem lies in that it's never been tested on people. So as for the dosage, he doesn't know.
We think that the more you take, the more protection you have.
Now, I know what you're thinking, but Allen says the high only happens when you light up.
You just eat raw cannabis, it will have great medicinal effect and won't get you high at all. When you dry the plant out or heat it, it becomes psychoactive.
That also means no edibles like brownies or cookies. So his prescription is
eat a bud a day. It will keep the stroke away.
Allen hopes there will be human clinical trials. And it has to be pointed out that he doesn't do heart surgery anymore. And as a medical marijuana advocate, he now does evaluations and writes prescriptions for pot.
It's not about justice, it's not about agenda, it's not about mobilizing people, it's about dialing for corporate dollars. These two parties have sold the U.S. government and the American people to the highest bidders.